I'm Radhachari. I'm from Learning Foundation, where we are an NGO where we work towards the various education institutions, and not only the formal sector, in the non-formal sector. So which is very important, that wherein what kind of a sustainable development, as everybody is talking about education, we need to do it, but how long it has to be, somebody has to take the lead ahead and continue it. See, I teach today, a teacher teach today, and then it has to be continued with the other generations also. So that is what the education sustainability which we are looking into it. First, let's understand what is ESD, Educational Sustainable Development. It's basically for the entire human well-being as well as expansion of the individual agency. It is not only the one person as such, we are looking into the continuity of the whatever the work that the person is doing it. Then what will happen is, the person will take the lead from it, then he will carry forward the same image or whatever he learned in the education system. Same thing has to be conveyed to others. Then only it will continue for the other sustainability in the education. Participation in the democratic dialogue, both for the now and the future generation. It's right, as my teacher taught me, and say 10 years, 20 years back, whatever she taught me, I want to teach or train the same thing, maybe the more. Because nowadays the children in the 21st century demands more. If a teacher is not prepared for it, then we are in the classes, we'll be, all teachers know. Before a teacher say a lesson, children, they know that okay, they have 100 things, they have a laptop, they have a internet, they have a Wi-Fi, they have all kind of information is available with them. Earlier days it was not. Earlier you have a newspaper, you have other kind of media of conversation or whatever. But now the knowledge is spread over across various medias. One of is your computer or the internet, isn't it? So before, say, now ma'am is going to teach tomorrow a lesson, so let me find out more and ask questions. Right, students? Correct, no? Let me test my teacher also whether she knows this or not. So what the child will ask? Child will ask, say that, okay, let me ask ma'am, I know that answer, I know, I have already read in the internet, I know the answer, but still, I want to know whether my teacher knows or not. She is testing the knowledge of the teacher. Okay, so what, as a teacher, or being, I am also a teacher, worked for a school for last working with the schools and the education institutions, working with principals, and we know the pulse of the what a student thinks about it and what a teacher or a principal